Good morning, boys and girls. So today's lesson is going to be about addition, which is something that should be really familiar to you. I was not going to make a video, and then I was like, well, just in case, because more than anything, I just want to remind you of some mistakes to look out for. Okay, so today's addition is going to be 3-digit addition. There are some 2-digit numbers mixed in there. And a lot of it is in the form of word problems, which is why I want to talk to you about the first mistake that I see kids make from time to time when they're adding. So I have a word problem here. It says Joshua has 106 bells and 29 whistles. How many objects does he have in all? Right? So in class, if we were reading this problem, I'd have you go through and circle the important information, right? 106 bells and 29 whistles, and then maybe we would underline in all because we know that that's kind of a signal that we're going to be adding in this problem, right? So the first issue I want to talk to you about that I see with addition from time to time is when you guys go to stack your numbers, okay? 106 and 29, they need to both be lined up by their ones place. And parents, if you're helping, be on the lookout for this as your kids are stacking their numbers. Because every now and again, I'll see this, okay? And then I watch you guys do the math and get pretty confused because this is not going to give you the answer that you're looking for, right? So make sure, okay, when you're adding and subtracting that you're thinking, HTO, right? Hundreds, tens, and ones. Where do my numbers go? 106 and 29. Okay. Also, neat handwriting here is pretty key because if your numbers start to get jumbled or too close together or written at an angle, then sometimes things don't come out quite right. Okay, so now we're adding. We're going to start with the ones place. Sorry for my crooked. Oh, let's put it there. We're going to start in the ones place, 6 plus 9. Okay, and this is a place that is great to use your fingers if you need to. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? 6 plus 9 is 15. So which number goes down here? 15. Our 5, right, goes here. And then we can carry the 1 up to the tens place. Every now and again, I see kids switch those two numbers, okay? Remember, your number that's in the ones place of your sum goes here, and the number that was in the tens place, the 1, goes up there, okay? So now you can add up this column. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus nothing is 1, okay? So Joshua had 135 objects in all. All right, so 2 mistakes there to look out for, which is not lining your numbers up in the hundreds, tens, and ones place, okay? Not starting with the ones place, and actually, let's call it 3 mistakes, carrying the wrong number. All right, here it says Nevaeh eats 146 pancakes and 347 waffles in a year. How many does she eat in all? Okay, so in this problem, we're talking about Nevaeh eating lots of pancakes and waffles. And we know we're adding because there's a clue. It says in all that we're putting those 2 numbers together. Okay, so these numbers are a little bit easier to stack up because they both have 3 digits, right? So make sure they're all lined up correctly. Okay, and then you can start adding 7 plus 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 13. So does that mean I should put the 1 here and carry the 3 over here? Make sure when you carry a number that you're carrying the correct number. Okay, please. So in this column, we have 4 plus 4. That's 8 plus 1 more is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. I know you guys will be successful with today's lesson. Okay, and if mom and dad are helping and notice that you guys are having some trouble, okay, making any of the mistakes we talked about, like carrying the wrong number or not lining numbers up correctly or not starting with the ones place, then addition is an awesome topic to practice, and it's easy to practice because you can make up whatever problems you want and keep going at home until you develop good habits for adding. So have a nice day, guys. Love you.